leave me alone. Then you gave me, you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I'm feeling complete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of the symphony. We hold it tight and not let go. Symphony. And it's all we hold it tight and not let go. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I'm feeling complete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of the symphony. We hold it tight and not let go. Symphony.
Well done, Olivia. Anya, what do you think of Olivia's performance?
Wow, I know you were so worried about this, and you smashed it. You've been working so hard on your singing these past few months, and you've come a really long way.
Yeah, thank you.
It's shocking, really. Honestly, it's amazing. You didn't mumble. I knew what words you were singing, so that's a big step for you. And the notes you hit are hard anyway. And I know that you found them even harder because this is really new for you. But you smashed it. It was an incredible audition. You should be really proud. Well done.
Kelly?
I do. I thought you were really sweet at the beginning, and then I got to the chorus. He was like, "Whoa, give us some guts." I was like, I think you're a diva. I really do. And like Anya said, those notes are really, really hard to sing. It's a really hard song to sing, that is. And to get up there and sing it the way that you did, that was fantastic. Well done, babe.
And Olivia, I know you've been preparing this now for the last 2 weeks, and like a lot of people don't know, but I've been working with you for about 3-4 months now, around that, with some coaching on in the studio. And if people actually heard where you're at now from where you was, it's incredible. And we still got a long way to go yet, as you know, we got a long, long way to go. But my God, the difference in your voice within just a few months is incredible. All we need to do within this process is working on how you present yourself on stage, your performance, and just letting that attitude, because let me tell you now, everyone, she's got attitude. She's like this across the studio and everything. We need to bring that to the stage. You've done really, really well with that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Well done. Well done, Olivia. Well done, girl.